The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD, power windows, power door locks, child safety locks, trip computer, CD player, MP3 player, bucket seats, auxiliary audio input. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.